Namaste, myself Dr. Deepa. Today's topic is about carom seeds, ajwain. So everyone will be familiar about this carom seeds because we are using these carom seeds in our daily life. For example, while we are preparing some sabji with this potatoes and all, otherwise if you are doing some recipe with besan and all, we just add a pinch of ajwain in these dishes because it will help us to decrease the vayu, decrease the gas and all. So it is helpful in our daily life. What all are other benefits? Mainly this ajwain carom seeds is of ushna virya. It increases the heat in your body. So it is used for kapha vata hara diseases, for the kapha diseases, and also with the also for the vata diseases. It also increases the pitta in our body. So if you are having a pitta prakriti, or you are having any hot increased hot in your body, so those people can avoid this ajwain. It is also having the property of tikshna. Tikshna means it enters into each and every cells in our body, so it is having that much intensity. That property is also there. It is also a ruchya. Ruchya means which increases the taste in our body, taste in our tongue. And pachani. Pachani means which increases the digestion in our stomach. It's also a shulahara. It is good a painkiller, and it's good for udara. Udara means bloating. For bloating also it is very helpful. For anaha. Anaha means gas in our body. For that also it is flatulence. For this also, this condition also, this carom seeds are very helpful. It's also a shukrahara. Shukrahara means it decreases the quantity of shukra for due to the over usage only. So you can use these carom seeds in a minimal quantity. And it is a gulma tumor. It is also helps to decrease the symptoms or uh, recurrence of tumor and all. It also helps in the pliha conditions, for spleen conditions also, and also in the worms, creamy hara. And what are the ingredients of this carom seeds? It mainly consists of calcium, riboflavin, iron, phosphorus, fiber, thiamol. Thiamol is also a great ingredient in this carom seeds. What is the importance of thiamol? Thiamol is good for our respiratory strength, and it also increases the immunity. These ajwain seeds, carom seeds are also antibacterial and antiviral also. So nowadays many are taking dietary supplements and all. On those dietary supplements, these carom seeds are main ingredient. Like that only, it is also a good ingredient in the skin creams and all. For example, any psoriasis conditions or vitiligo type of conditions, these are mentioned. In those creams also it is included. Let us see next what all in which all conditions we can use this carom seeds. We all are knowing that for colicky pain it is very much used. If we are getting some sort of pain in our stomach or bloating, then uh, our parents will first give some ajwain water to drink. It will decrease the pain, colicky pain and gas problems. So it is very useful. You can make carom seed paste and apply in your uh, umbilical area. It also helps to decrease the colicky pain and this gas problems. For asthma also it is very much used. We can just dry roast this ajwain seeds, carom seeds, and may give a hot fermentation for the chest area. It will help us to decrease the kapha disorders. So it will be very useful in the asthma or cough related problems. For urticaria cases also this is very useful. What happens in urticaria? We will get patches in our body. All are knowing these symptoms. So by seeing this only, elders will tell that, oh, this is due to pitta and all. In those conditions also, in very little quantity of ajwain, carom seeds with the combination of jaggery will helps to decreases the symptoms of urticaria. For weight loss also it is very useful. You can use boiled water with carom seeds, or if you are soaking these carom seeds at night time, it is also, and if you are taking it the morning time, it is also beneficial. Like that only, it will generally, what happens, it will increase the digestive juices in our body. That's why. So if digestive juices are increased, digestion will be proper and metabolism will be increased. That is a thing. So it will also helps to decreases the ama in our body. It is very useful for digestion and all. For nasal congestion also it is used. You can just take the smell of the ajwain with karpur and all. For example, I have told in the last videos also, in the nasal blockage conditions and all, you should take steam daily, and putting anu taila also is very beneficial in this nasal blockage and all. Like that, it is a good uterine cleanser. So for the cleaning of the uterus it is very helpful, in the not in the excessive bleeding conditions, but many of the people are coming and telling that before that they are getting 3 to 5 days bleeding during their periods, but nowadays they are getting only 1 to 2 days of periods bleeding. So for those women, they can consume this ajwain, till, sesame seeds, carom seeds, sesame seeds and jaggery combination. Just make the fry of ajwain, carom seeds and sesame seeds, dry roast and make a powder of it, and add some good jaggery for that, and you can consume it daily. So this can be very helpful for the less bleeding cases and all. If you are having any bleeding issues, if you are not getting that much bleeding, you can take this in the daily basis. If you are having any doubt, you can just go and appoint a consultation with your Ayurvedic doctor. Then next is for arthritis. For arthritis also, this ajwain oil, due to this thymol ingredient and a carvacrol ingredient, due to this only it is very efficient, very beneficial in the arthritis conditions also. So for the decreasing the pain, for the, it acts as a pain reliever. It's very helpful. And also for our stomach also, for good bacteria and all, E. coli bacteria and all, for decreasing these E. coli or salmonella bacteria, this can be very helpful. Like that only. For toothache also, this ajwain is very much beneficial. You can make some gargling with ajwain water, or in the daily basis also it can be used, no problem, because it is having antibacterial property, so you can maintain your oral hygienic with this. Then next is for indigestion. If you are having indigestion or less appetite, you are not getting your appetite well, then you can use sainda namak with this ajwain and or kala namak. It will be increase your appetite. If you are having any body is having any dryness in your body, you can add this ajwain carom seeds with buttermilk and you can consume it. Like that, for amla pitta also, for the gastric condition also, you can use this in very less quantity. You can use dry ginger powder with this carom seeds and sainda namak. It will act as a very good medicine. For recurrence of stones in your body, this sainda namak is very helpful. If you are keeping soaking it in the night time with water and morning you are consuming this water, it will be help to reduce the recurrence of stones. Next is for vomiting sensation, for nausea and excessive salivation in your mouth also. This combination is very good. You can try with the carom seeds, pomegranate seeds and sainda namak, rock salt. This also helps to increase the digestion, so it will decrease your excessive salivation. Next is for bedwetting. If children are having the problem of bedwetting, they can take this carom seeds and jaggery combination before 2 to 3 hours of sleep. So this will be very helpful. And if you someone are having loose motions, they can also take very little amount of carom seeds with sugar. It is also good for the stomach. And who should not take this carom seeds much? Breastfeeding ladies can avoid this carom seeds in very much quantities. And which all drugs contain this ajwain seeds or carom seeds? Mainly Ayamodaka dravagam is there. It is an extract of this carom seeds only. Like that, lohasam is there, sarpagandhati gudika, many medicines are there. So nowadays in many medicines this carom seeds is playing a good role. And if you are having any doubts, please you can post in the comment section that we can answer. So these are the details about the carom seeds. If you are getting if you are getting some knowledge or some beneficial things from my video, just you can share my videos. So thank you very much.